Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2170 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your throttle actuator control system. And if left unresolved, it can affect throttle response, engine performance, and overall drivability. What does P2170 mean? P2170 stands for Throttle Actuator Control System, Forced Limited RPM. In simple words, the ECU has detected a problem in the electronic throttle control system and has intentionally limited engine RPM to protect the engine and drivetrain. This is often called limp mode or reduced power mode. When this happens, the vehicle may not accelerate normally, even when you press the accelerator pedal. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2170, you may notice: check engine light on, reduced engine power, limited RPM, poor acceleration, vehicle stuck in limp mode, throttle response problems, and sometimes transmission performance issues. The vehicle may drive normally at low speeds but struggle to gain speed. Component location. Now let's talk about location. The throttle actuator is located inside the electronic throttle body. The throttle body is mounted between the air intake tube and the intake manifold. The accelerator pedal position sensor is located on the accelerator pedal assembly. Both components communicate with the ECU through electrical wiring and connectors. Most common causes. The most common causes of P2170 include faulty throttle body, faulty throttle actuator motor, accelerator pedal position sensor problems, damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded connectors, vacuum leaks, throttle body carbon buildup, or ECU issues. In rare cases, quick diagnosis. Start by scanning for additional throttle-related trouble codes. Check live throttle position and accelerator pedal data. Inspect the throttle body for carbon buildup. Check wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion. Verify that the throttle plate moves smoothly. And compare sensor readings with manufacturer specifications. How to fix P2170. Clean the throttle body, repair damaged wiring. Replace faulty connectors. Replace the throttle body if necessary. Replace a faulty accelerator pedal sensor if required. Clear the code. And perform a throttle relearn procedure if recommended. Final result. Fixing P2170 will restore proper throttle control, improve acceleration response, remove limp mode conditions, and help your vehicle perform normally again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage, and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.